Hey everyone, I stumbled upon this golden video from GitHub Universe 2022 where they deep dive into the secrets of their powerful code search engine, Blackbird. The burning question we are exploring today is Blackbird more powerful than Google? Let's find out. But first, let's understand one thing. How does Blackbird work? Before we deep dive into the details, we have to see why they had to invent or build a new search engine from scratch. You see, the old methods weren't working for them. General text searches had poor user experience, were expensive to host, and were much slower with code. Even open source solutions couldn't handle the massive scale at which developers were committing code to GitHub. Blackbird is designed to answer questions about code, considering the constant changes and commits developers make. It's not your typical text search engine. The new engine that they built from scratch had to deal with regular expressions, stop words, and even identify duplicate code. So, with this new search engine called Blackbird, you can search for code using qualifiers, Boolean expressions, and even regular expressions. The turnaround time, which is one of the most important metrics, is very impressive, with even the most complex search queries returning results in just a few hundred milliseconds. Now, let's test how powerful Blackbird is. Let's take this example where we search for the keyword arguments by allowing other words to be present before and after it. Now, if you search this, you see about 85 million results in just like 400 milliseconds. That's very impressive, right? But it's not just about simple queries. Blackbird supports advanced search queries like looking for a specific string or an expression. For example, I searched for HTTPS or FTP using a Boolean or. Now, if we run the query, it has given us about 400 million code examples and searched across 1 million repositories in around 300 milliseconds. Now let's talk about how it works behind the scenes. For a search engine to be this powerful, we have to understand how it is actually built on at least a very basic level. Blackbird processes each document by detecting its language, creating an inverted index for that language, and employing n-gram indexing. Now, these indexes are massive, so you can't store all of them entirely in memory. So, to, to tackle this problem, they adopted a strategy where you think of the index as a tree and they use delta encoding. So, delta means difference. So, instead of storing the entire files, you store the difference alone, so it makes crawling easier. So, it's a very smart way to manage and navigate data sets which constantly keeps changing. Now in this video we have seen what is Blackbird all about, why was it built, how to use it, how can you test it, and how does it work behind the scenes. Now to answer the question, is it more powerful than Google? Well, for code related searches it certainly seemed to be leading the way. I hope you enjoyed this video about Blackbird. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.